Hey guys, market's been closed for a few hours here. Just want to jump in, do a quick trade review. Today I had a red day. I hit my maximum losing trades for the day, so I had to call it quits. Let's just start off on the daily chart here, and we'll go through where I went wrong because it's pretty obvious now that I'm looking at it. So as you can see, we've had like a big uptrend since March. Unexpected. We've had CPI data come out. That means, all the inflation indexes have come down quite a bit. So we're seeing a lot of bullish movement. We're currently making a new kind of like 18-month high, year and a half high, coming into the 4,500, 4,600 area right now. So big uptrend. I'm looking at these two daily supply zones potentially as areas to get into like bigger picture shorts, but we didn't get that today. Got an uptrend. I was trying to short, did that all day, got run over. You know how it is. We didn't really have much of a range today either, so that should have been an indication. As you can see, we're clearly up into this daily range here. This is our hourly uptrend. Not paying attention to this, obviously. Otherwise, I should have been trading with the uptrend. Trend is your friend, right? That's why they say it. But uptrend here. We have two demand zones below that we made on the 1 hour. Let's just turn those into our blue here. Demand. Oh, it didn't even do it. Come on. Where are we? There's our demand zone, load, blue. Same thing here, demand zone. Oh, that's too many. Sorry about that. Demand zone. There we go. Just keep everything nice and tidy, right? So big uptrend. CPI came out here. Continuation. I figured yesterday we were going to fill that gap again. A short bias because we're coming into these higher time frame supply areas, but I think we're just going to continue to rally. We might see a pullback sooner or later, but overall, given the CPI data and inflation coming down, that's going to be reason for the Fed not to be hiking interest rates. So that's a bullish sentiment in the market overall. Let's jump down to the 5-minute because that's where I do my trading. Here's my executions for the day. I'm just going to actually go to the daily and get rid of this zone here so that we don't have to deal with it on the 5-minute. So saw that big zone. That's why I was, trying to look for shorts. That's that demand area on the 1 hour pre-market. Nothing much of a range here, right? So that's 32.25 to 32.20, yeah, 45, 32.25. 45, 25, 50 was the range, kind of the beginning of the day. I saw this consolidation. I really did want to get in long here, but I knew that we were in that higher time frame demand zone. I thought I was doing the right thing and didn't take it. Ended up trying to take a short here into this 5-minute supply, get down into the demand zone, quick short, scalp, get out. Got run over. Same thing here. Tried to get in on like a negative delta rotation from the high here, and an RSI divergency. Looking at this RSI divergence here, 1, 2. Again, run over. Gave it a little bit of a break. Went away. Came back a bit later after taking 2 losing trades in a row. So again, we're still in that supply zone. I see this 5-minute inverted hammer here. I think that's good for short. We got a nice sell-off. Not quite a new low, but that's some pretty significant selling. We come up into this highlighted range here. This is a 5-minute supply, and within this little box here, I have highlighted on my footprint charts as like a high delta rotation, like a negative delta rotation. Come into that short, stopped out yet again, right? So unfortunately, not the best day. I had 4 stop outs, 4 losing trades, just hit my max loss for the day and called it quits. I'm going to come back tomorrow morning. We'll give it another shot, but just so you all know, I'm trading a $50,000 Apex Combine account, just trying to get my evaluation, get funded. If anybody here is interested in an Apex evaluation account, there's a link below that'll get you a discount code and give me a little kickback for the channel. That helps out quite a bit. And if you're interested in trading together, I trade most mornings live at about 9:45 onward. I skip the first 15 minutes just because I don't want to get tied up in all the price discovery. It just moves a little bit too quick for me and I don't perform well there. So join me first thing in the morning tomorrow for a live trading session if you're interested. Otherwise, I'm going to keep posting these trade reviews and we can just go along with this Combine account and hopefully get it funded in the next like 30 days or so, right? But give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below what else you'd like what else you might like me to what else you might like to see. I'm happy to do videos on Sierra chart or the footprint charts that I'm using if you're interested in seeing how those work and how those can be set up. But I hope you guys have a great Thursday evening. Come back fresh for tomorrow and have a green trading day tomorrow. The lesson for today is stick to your daily rules. Mine is a maximum loss of 40 points, so that's $200. And because I'm trading micros on this thing, I don't want to take on too much risk. But yeah, 40-point loss. Kept it under that. I know I was kind of close to my max, but we'll call that a day, and we'll come back tomorrow, give it another stab. Okay, have a good night, everyone.